So story come to bumps. Michael Was Gardner, the favorite for this year's Contender boxing title and the $2 million cash prize, is disqualified for failing to make the weight for tonight's scheduled quarterfinal bout. And it's not just Was, but almost all the Jamaican fighters have struggled to make the 147-pound weight. So the Canadians decide, say, enough is enough. They're not fighting no more overweight Jamaican boxers. I know all the experts and officials are blaming the Jamaican boxers, say them too lazy and them unprofessional and blah, blah, blah. But the Maverick has a Maverick view on this one. I think it is crazy for the Contender Series to be contested in a weight division where all of the Jamaican fighters are struggling to make the weight. Some of the boxers, including Was Gardner, have been training hard and losing a whole heap of weight already, and them still can't make the weight. Contender needs to up the weight class to junior middle or middleweight, which would be closer to the man them natural body weight. Remember now, it is basically the same pool of boxers, so it makes no logical sense to have an international tournament involving Jamaican boxers, and all of the Jamaican boxers are struggling to make the weight. The thing needs to be set in a weight class to suit our boxers and make the Canadian them fine boxers to fit that division. Can you imagine how Was Gardner feel right now? Him train so hard, him turn up as the big favorite to win the $2 million cash prize. And when him reach the arena, all him hear a echo through the microphone.
Usher him out. Usher him out. Usher him out. Let this be a warning.